Hello, my name is Abby Pokup, and this is my internship presentation for spring 2018 as a dock supervisor for Holland America Princess. As a dock supervisor, I was responsible for training and working alongside 5 team members whose responsibilities include, but are not limited to, multitasking, punctuality, strong verbal communication, and outstanding customer service. A day in my internship was as follows. Promptly at 6 a.m., my team prepared for the busy day ahead of us by reviewing logistics and gathering what was necessary to complete the tasks at hand. We then followed our outlined logistics by coordinating the movement of up to 4 cruise ships with port, land, and security apparatus to ensure safe and efficient transfer of guests between ship and land tours. I chose my internship because it was the next best thing on the stepping stones to my future career. My husband Griffin and I have a dream of creating and managing our own tourism company in Alaska. With our past experience and excitement, we've determined that this is our chosen career path. I've been working for Holland America Princess for the past 5 years, creating a foundation in a relationship. For my internship, I decided to aim for the stars and earn a position higher up to gain more experience and learn more about the industry I want to be in. I spoke to my superior and expressed my interest in the position. She reached out to my previous manager to get a second opinion if I would be a good fit for a supervisor. He had nothing but good things to say of my work ethic and ability to identify and utilize optimal traits in a team. From this internship, I have learned through the resume review that I frequently sell myself short on the tasks that I have completed in my professional experience column on my resume. With the help of a professional colleague of mine, I was able to improve the responsibilities of my past work experience to give me a better chance at the next job that I apply for. I've also learned the importance of interview preparation. I researched the STAR and SOAR methods and have learned and perfected tips I have acquired to making an excellent first impression and being the solution to a company's problem. As I mentioned earlier, it has been my dream to have a career in the tourism industry. This internship has helped me to expand my knowledge and improve my skills and abilities in outstanding customer service. Griffin and I's goal is to create our own travel exploration company and take us out hiking and kayaking in Alaska in the summer and Hawaii in the winter. My advice to future interns is, if you're like me and want to share the beauties of the world with those that come to visit, then I would definitely suggest working up in Alaska for Holland America Princess. It is a great way to get a taste of what customer service is all about. In any career you choose, you'll be required to provide customer service. I have gained some great experiences and challenges to help round out my strengths and weaknesses, making me an exceptional candidate for any customer service position.